Hey everyone, it's me Harsh, and I welcome you to the Harsh the podcast. And in this podcast, I am going to answer a question: is what will you recommend to a retail business or else a marketer who is working with a retail or else offline business which has zero presence? I mean zero online presence. They don't have any community, neither they have built a Facebook and Instagram accounts nor any website. What will I recommend? The first thing which will I do or else which will I recommend to them to use is first get your website built. If you don't know how to build a website, or else if you don't have a money to build a website, don't worry, you could buy a $15 to $20 hosting and domain package. You can get it combo, and first start with very simple, because on the first day you are not getting hundreds of thousands of visitors. Got it, right? Just start with a simple plan. If you're getting some background music, please ignore it, because there's a party going besides my house, so please ignore it. First get your website built. If you don't know how to build, you could obviously Google and YouTube are the best courses. You can best say it as the best course or resources, or else the best books of the world, where you could get any information you want. Such there are 5 to 10 minutes videos on how to create a build a website on WordPress. I will recommend WordPress because all my website is on WordPress, so I will recommend you to use WordPress, because it is a very good content management system. And the second is, what will I do is build social media accounts. Start building Instagram and Facebook. Obviously, if you are sell products which is fashionable, which is clothing, or else if you are selling a service which is like a barber service, which is not your product, you could work with the you could have worked with the bakery businesses as well, where they create cake and sells. So that's like a very location wise, demographics, geographics wise business. So you have to be good at targeting. And you could also, while you are creating content, make sure you are not going every time for a sale. You have to build a brand first. Whether it's like if you're creating content in India, there might be there might be a brand in US as well. So that is the other thing that you will think of expanding. But first, don't go for sale. I mean it. Don't go for sale. Just create content which helps. Or else, if you are specific with the product, start storytelling. And if you don't know how to storytell, Google and YouTube is the best thing. You got it, right? Put out content. And the third thing which I would recommend is, when you put out content, you start getting some results. I mean, the engagement, people will start asking questions: how to do this, how did you did that? Answer them. And when you answer them, have a screenshot and tweet it or put it on Instagram, whether you give a video reply, so that you got content. Because when you get more content, obviously more reach, zero money, less time. I mean, the more time, the more work you have to put in. But in the long term, when you think of a long term, it is really very helpful. So I have said third thing, right? And the fourth thing which I would recommend is, if you have a little bit of money, or else if you are making 30 to 40% of, at least 30 to 40% profit, go with advertising. Why I'm saying advertising to offline or retail business is, you might have a single shop in your city. I mean, you don't have any branches. Your brand is only having a single shop. So you could target a radius. The one who targets, the good marketer, the people always say, if you are spending $1,000 and bringing 100 sales, there might be, the good marketer is, they will also spend $1,000, but they will get 150 or 200 sales. So it completely depends upon the ad targeting, not about the money. Yes, people to spend 40 to 50, even 10 to $20 and get hundreds of thousands of worth rupees client. You can say it as a real estate, where targeting matters. So target, if you are like a bakery businesses, storytelling, and use that video or else the creative which will use to target it according to which you think that type of a people will buy it. Obviously, when people come to your shop and buy that, you'll know about which type of people come. So 2 to 3 miles or 2 to 3 kilometers away, you could run a Facebook ads. Once again, if you don't know how to target, run Facebook ads, you could visit the world's biggest book, which is Google and YouTube. So that were like my 4 recommendations. Yes, there are a lot of things which you have to get into depth, but that were my like outline of 4 recommendations for a retail or else offline business which just got offline, I mean the online, with zero online presence. So start using those 4 for at least 2-4 months, and if you don't get, just delete that. Yes, I mean it will really work if you putting out a lot of content, and you will start seeing engagement. That's it. Hope you got value from this podcast or else video, because I will be using this same video on YouTube and on other different platforms, maybe as a micro content. Don't forget to give a honest feedback about this podcast on the comment section or else the feedback section. If you're using Spotify, or if you don't have an option to give the feedback, you could DM me on Instagram, LinkedIn, or whichever, or you can text me as well. That's it.